In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2019, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font. Begin by launching Settings and hitting Display. Then select Font Size and Style. Tap on Font Style and hit Download Fonts right away. Following that, you can click on this icon next to Rosemary 1 to install it, or hit Rosemary 1 and tap on Install button over here. Either way, when your new font style is ready, go back to the same settings. And click on it to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!